Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel. So we're gonna see the where crude oil and some commodities gonna work, and you can see that exactly what happened, what we have discussed in previous week. Exactly, I have told you from here only it gonna take resistance. Okay, if you haven't here taken, I have entered here, but this you can see that volatility is happened. After that, it came once again here. After that, it going taken it seller's downside. But what happened? Suddenly a buyer's move came, but exactly here you can see that double top has been made. Okay guys, I will just zoom in so you can get the correct idea. So you can see here exactly double top has been made in here. After that only you can see that one sided downside momentum, first target, second, third, all target we have reached. Okay guys, after that only you can here also you have buyed also, taken a short position. You can see here, you if you have kept here only, then your SL will be obviously triggered, because you have to keep your SL at this position. Because of bigger player what's do, after here they will enter, so they can keep their SL at previous candle high. After that only, okay, if you haven't entered here or exited here, why you have to enter at this point only? Because of you can see that one sided double top has been made, and after that red candle is making, so you have to take a small SL and a short. So you can see that one sided momentum and you have got very huge profit guys. Hope you have traded. If you have traded, please comment me down and tell me that you have traded and how nice money you have made. Okay guys, here also you can see that in natural gas, I have told you guys what happened is that in natural gas, always I have told you in previous videos also, you can check out guys. What I have told you is that specifically I have told you that here continuously consolidation happened, but what happened here? Here one gap up has been, gap down has been here triggered. After gap down happened, here continuously hitting at resistance, so obviously it gonna come and fill its area. You can see that after filling only here trend line also making, so I have made a just a trend line. After that you can see that here exactly at this point only it has and reached. After that only here only the sellers has been came consolidate, boom, one-sided momentum. After that, okay guys, this is the thing you have to see guys. If you have seen and traded this, so you have got very huge profit guys. Okay guys, after that consolidation happened, and here some of the bigger players has been came and taken it upside momentum. Okay guys, upside momentum has been came, but here sellers also once again came. You can see here, so that's why here once again seller has been came and taking it downside momentum, but it is right now at a supporting zone only. You can see here, I will just extend. You can see that exactly right now also it is at a supporting zone only. Okay guys, so we gonna see the next is gold. Okay guys, in gold analysis what we have discussed is that if it will take support exactly here taken support. Okay guys, our first target reached. After that only second target smallly happened and taken it downside. Okay guys, our SL has been triggered. I have not exited here. Okay guys, because I wanted at least my two target reached. Always I have told you at least my two target will be reached, so I am very happy about it, and I will take my second profit only 70%, and after 30% I will run for third and fourth target. Okay guys, after that it came downside. What happened is that this trend line has been came, so this is broken, then only I have taken this position, but SL has been triggered. After here consolidation, you can see here guys what happened. Double bottom W pattern has been made, and you can see here exactly that has been made and going upside. So what I have done is that I have entered at this green candle, and I have kept my SL at the this red candle low. Okay guys, after that you can see that my SL is very small, and you can see that one-sided momentum. Okay guys, here only taking resistance, but I am confident it's making a very nice move. So after that you can see that what happened, our first target reach easily, second target also reach, third target has been not reached, slightly is remaining. After second target only I am very sure that it is consolidating here. So at this green candle only I have exited my whole profit, because I know that the if it's consolidating and not making a bigger move, then it maybe causes me a loss, and already I have taken a small loss, so I don't wanted to take one another loss. So also here M pattern, also here price action making, you can see that upside, downside, here you can see that consolidate, boom, this has been broken. Okay guys, this low has been broken. That's why I am seeing that the thing is that here only consolidation happen, M pattern, this is the low broken, you can see that boom, one sided momentum. That's why I have exited my whole profit from this green candle only. Okay, this green candle only. After that only something somewhere here or here, I don't know exactly. So we have exited and we have got a very huge profit guys. So we gonna see the where now you gonna take the trades and made a move for next week. Okay guys, what happened is that right now in market is at this position. Okay guys, so we gonna see where the next supporting area will be at this position only. Okay, so we have to see that. You can see here guys, what happened is that this is the one of the bullish zone. Okay guys, here buyers are so much dominating. Okay guys, you can see here small buyers came, here you can see, okay, here small sellers came, bigger and bigger, but you can also see that buyers is coming, buyers is very much dominating here. So we gonna see like this, that buyer is so much dominating. Here some buyers came, here 10% came, here 25%, here 50%. Now next move what will be done is that it will came once again down, and bigger momentum also we can expect. Our first target will be up till here, our second target, third and fourth target in upside momentum. Okay guys, these are the our first, second, third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, and also in downside also we can discuss that if it will came downside and take resistance somewhere here, then we can expect our first target will be the 90, second will be the 88.50 guys. Okay guys, next target will be the 86. Okay guys, so right now you can see that how nicely market has been consolidating and giving us very huge profit. You can check out our previous videos also. Our accuracy is 90 to 95% accurate guys. So you gonna check out guys, so you can get the idea. Okay guys, so we gonna see here where the market is going, something just like this. Okay guys, so here we are getting very nice momentum, so I will just keep it like this. Okay, it's a better. Okay, right now you can see here guys, what happened is that this is the one of the major trend lines right now acting as a in natural gas, and here is consolidation happening, and right now it is acting as a one of the major supporting areas. Okay guys, so what we have to do is right now is that if it is going upside once again, you can take your position here only, and your SL will be the at this green candle low. Okay guys, after that consolidate here somewhere and broker, then you can expect your first target, second, and this will be the third target guys. Okay guys, you can also check out in Telegram channel also, I will post there also guys, you can check out there too guys. Okay guys, if that not happen and it's gonna wanted to take a resistance, then you can expect that it will came downside somewhere like this and take your first target will be here, second target, third and even fourth too guys. Okay guys, these are the four target in downside. I know that this is the very huge momentum, but it will be the happening that it will come. If this has been broken, then you can expect the upper side momentum also very huge, upside momentum also came. So you have to consciously see that where the market is momenting. Okay guys, after here only why I have told you here consolidate, because continuously here hitting, first thing is continuously hitting at resistance. Okay guys, second thing is gap is pending. Always see that gap always filled by the market. So that's why market has been filled, and this trend line will be supports and taken exactly here, trend line only resistance and came downside. So this is the sign which you have to seize, guys. Okay, at gold analysis right now, what we have to see is that it is acting as exactly at a supporting area. You can see here, guys. Okay, guys. So right now what we have to see, so we have to not do any such things. Right now it will once again came somewhere here, then you can expect your first target will be somewhere here, and our second target, because here are seller are dominance, that's why this is the third and fourth target is. These are the four target in upside momentum. Okay guys, in downside momentum, if it will came downside something, so you have to stick with very small SL, then you can expect that your first target, or this will be the no trading zone. Okay guys, after that it will take downside, then you can expect your second and third target too, guys. Okay guys, these are the some of the target which you can have to take your trades. Okay guys, hope you like this video, guys. Please check out our previous analysis also, you can get the idea and why I have not told you at this position, and in natural gas and in the crude oil also you can say that this trend line is coming and it will definitely gonna take resistance, and here double top is making. Why I have not told you? Because if I will told you, you can gonna trade. Okay, if I will that trade will not work for you, then you can blame for me. So do not blame anybody. I have also told you everything: price action, trend line, supporting zones, what is the mindset of the buyers and sellers, bigger players. So that mindset you can keep and trade, or you can just take that thing and you can do paper trading also, so you can get the confidence about that. You can get the confidence, after that you're gonna trade. So this will be the very nice thing what I am telling you. So that's why I have not told you these things, guys. Hope you like this video, guys. Please check out also our previous videos. There are so many analysis videos and also learning videos for you guys. Please check out and share with your friends and families also, guys. Our accuracy is 90 to 95%. You can check out our forex analysis also. There also what we have discussed exactly that happened. Also I will post that analysis too, guys. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you so much for be with this video, guys. Thank you so much.